Hello everyone, welcome to Teachers Help Board.
Hello children. Today we are going to learn a new lesson in EVS, Home Remedies for Simple Illness. So children, now I will be showing you all two pictures. Observe the pictures carefully which is given, which is shown, and answer it. First picture. Why is this boy's arm in plaster? Could we have put his arm in plaster at home? Your answer is why? Because his hand got injured. Second picture. Why has this girl been brought to a doctor? Now children, why we go to doctor? Because when we feel sick, then only we go to doctor. So this girl went to doctor because she has fever. So children, now we will learn about a topic on illness. Illness means what? Fever or not keeping well. When we are well, we feel hungry at the right time. We sleep well at night. We have no complaints about digestion, and most importantly, we feel refreshed on getting up in the morning. We do not feel tired at all, even if we have done a lot of work. So, children, if we are good in health, we feel hungry at the right time, morning, afternoon, night. And even we sleep well at night, and even our digestion will be proper. But at the same time, if we are not feeling hungry, we are not sleeping well, that means there is a reason behind it. That is, we fall ill. Ill means what? Not well, or fever we can say. Now children, we will see an example of a small girl named Sania. Sania had a slightly sore throat. Still, she had some ice cream. The next day, her throat hurt and she found it more difficult to swallow. Mother made her gargle with warm salt water before and after school for 2 days. On the third day, Sania's throat had stopped hurting. This was a simple illness and she soon felt better again. A fortnight later, Sania's thigh fell ill. She was running a temperature. Her eyes had become yellow in color. She did not feel anything like eating at all. So, her mother took her to the doctor. Doctor said that Thai had jaundice. The doctor advised her to take complete rest for 3 weeks. So, as she had jaundice, doctor told to take complete rest for 3 weeks. She also told her to eat as little as possible of things which contain oil, ghee or butter. This was not an illness that could be cured easily. So, jaundice is not a easy illness. Okay, so we should be very careful and we should take proper treatment according to the doctor's advice. Next we are going to learn is people who provide health services to society. Society means our surrounding. A service that takes care of the health of the people and provides treatment for those who are ill is called a health service or medical service. Big towns and cities have doctors, clinics and even hospitals too. But in most cities and in rural areas, there are government hospitals and primary health centers too. Patients can get treatment at concessional rates there. The municipal corporations of big cities also run hospitals that provide medical treatment. Children, now we will see what are the home remedies. If an illness is one that gets cured readily, one can try a home remedy. Elderly, experienced people in the family sometimes suggest such cures. The old people, like your grandfather, your grandmother, used to tell some remedies which can be cured easily without taking doctor's medicine. The homemade medicine will cure you. So this is experienced by elderly people. If we have cold, we can inhale steam at bedtime or take hot fomentations on the chest. If someone is vomiting as a result of fever or indigestion, it is better not to insist on him or her having a meal. Suppose if you are vomiting and you have proper indigestion and also having fever, you must not compel anyone to have a meal. At most, they should be given a cool lemon sherbet or something light like dahi bath to eat the next day. If someone has a cut, bruise or a small wound in any part of your body, it should be washed with clean water and dabbed dry. A tincture of iodine may be applied to it. Then it should be covered with clean cotton and bandage. Even if an illness appears to be minor, it should never be neglected. So children, even if a small fever or small thing has happened to you or to your body parts, you must not neglect it. Neglect means what? You should not leave as it is. Okay, it is no problem, like that. You should take care whatever is the problem you are facing.